Namaste. In one of my video, I already explained about Guru. Nowadays, there is no perfect Guru, like there is no perfect Shishya also. So, to find perfect Guru is very hard job. Guru is someone who can teach you yoga or spirituality or whatever subject for completely free without expecting anything from the Shishya. But nowadays, especially this yoga became a big business, and everyone is expecting huge money for yoga courses in the name of certification and all. So if you are looking for yoga course, authentic yoga course, I have already created one video about it. And if you are looking for perfect Guru also, I have created separate video for that. So I think a year before or something, I did this yoga course, which is like 500 hours course. Now he is offering 200 hours course completely free. He is a scientist from Hyderabad. But the only thing is the terms and condition, the rules which you have to follow. If you don't follow his rules, if you don't surrender to him, otherwise if you don't follow whatever he says, then there are mentors, volunteers who will remove you from the course without even asking you. That's the thing. So you have to practice whatever he says, whatever he is like teaching you, you have to accept as it is, whatever it comes. Because mind says something and your understanding about yoga is something, and he will teach you something else. So yoga, if you are a beginner and if you are looking for authentic yoga course, I think this is a perfect one. Just check this website I have mentioned here. So just check this website and read everything about terms and condition, what you have to follow and everything. If you are okay with that, then only join this course. Because if you don't read it and accept it, and if they select you for the course, in between they may remove it, because they may tell you that you are not following the rules. There's a catch. But if you are looking for authentic, almost authentic kind of yoga course, authentic, like it's not commercialized. They are not teaching you how to make money out of yoga or anything. Like many gurus, they are after money only. So this guru is a scientist, and he will teach you without expecting anything from you. So far I have found this guy, like he is very good, but I can't say that he is a perfect one or something. But you will learn a lot of things from him. I have learned many things from him. Even if I am staying with him, I may have learned a lot of things. So if you are looking for a yoga teacher training course or yoga course, even if you did any other yoga course, I highly recommend you to join this course. If you have already joined this course, please comment below and share your experience with me. If you are joining this course, after finishing, please comment below and share your experience with other audience. It will help them to join or not. Thanks for watching. If you use Instagram, please follow me there. My Instagram ID is hariompajaka. Please connect with me by subscribing this channel. Please click subscribe and connect with me. Thanks for watching. Namaste.